How to create a Discord account. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to create a Discord account where you can text with various people, with bots, communities, make different servers, etc., what you can do is, first of all, launch the Discord application on your device. After you do that, in the first page you can see two options: register and login. If you already have an account previously and simply want to get back to that account, tap on login. However, if you want to create a new account, go to register. Over here you can either enter your email or your phone number. I'm gonna enter my email. After you enter your email, Discord will ask you for your display name. You can either enter your display name or you can simply skip it. After you do that, Discord will give you a username. After that, you have to enter a password that is suitable to you, which you can remember easily. After you enter your password, tap on next. Now, Discord will ask you for your age. Enter your age. After you do that, toggle this on. Now go to create account. After you do that, Discord will ask if you're human. Then you have to confirm that you're not a robot by doing the test Discord gives you. After you complete your text, Discord will send you a message that says allow Discord to send you notifications. You can either allow it or don't. Then you can sync your contacts to find people you know on Discord. You can allow it or simply skip it if you don't want. And there you go. You have successfully created an account on Discord. Now, from this plus icon over here, you can make various friends. You can create a server over here, or you can join a server. Now, this is how you can simply create an account on Discord. So thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope the video was helpful to you and see you in the next one.